Choosing the right color for your logo design, a comprehensive guide. Selecting the ideal color palette for your logo design constitutes a pivotal decision, wielding the potential to significantly influence how your brand is perceived by your audience. Different colors evoke a diverse range of emotions and associations, making it imperative to align your color choices with your brand's core values, personality, and target demographic. In this comprehensive guide, we delve into the technical and psychological aspects that underpin this decision, offering you a roadmap for making an informed and impactful choice. The cornerstone of any color selection process lies in understanding your brand's identity and values. Delve into the essence of your brand, its mission, and its core principles. What emotions and sentiments do you wish your logo to convey? The selection of colors can significantly impact the immediate emotional response your brand evokes. For instance, the cool and calming aura of blue can evoke sentiments of trust and professionalism, while the fiery red might symbolize energy, excitement, and boldness. Crafting a harmonious connection between your brand's values and your color choices is the first step toward an effective logo design. Venturing into the realm of color psychology uncovers a rich tapestry of associations and meanings. Colors have the power to evoke both conscious and subconscious emotions in viewers. Consider the following associations: red, a symbol of passion, energy, and dynamism; blue, a beacon of trust, reliability, and professionalism; green, embodying the essence of nature, growth, and well-being; yellow, exuding optimism, warmth, and creativity; orange, radiating enthusiasm, vitality, and friendliness; purple, a harbinger of luxury, creativity, and mystery; black, an emblem of elegance, sophistication, and authority; white, epitomizing purity, simplicity, and clarity. Understanding these nuanced connections allows you to craft a palette that resonates deeply with your audience. The art of color selection extends beyond individual choices; it encompasses the orchestration of colors into a harmonious symphony. Ensuring that your selected colors work together seamlessly and complement each other is essential for a visually appealing logo. The judicious use of color wheels, color schemes, and analogous or complementary color combinations can amplify the impact of your logo, making it visually striking and memorable. Amidst a sea of visual stimuli, the relationship between your logo's elements and its backdrop is critical. A logo that lacks proper contrast between these elements can become lost in the visual noise, diminishing its impact. High-contrast designs ensure readability and visibility across various mediums and backgrounds. Balancing the visual weight of your logo's components against its background creates a logo that stands out while remaining clear and cohesive. Colors possess cultural and geographic nuances that can influence their interpretation. What may symbolize one thing in one culture could have a completely different meaning in another. Understanding these nuances is crucial to prevent inadvertent misinterpretations that could potentially harm your brand's image. Tailoring your color choices to resonate positively with your target audience's cultural and regional affiliations enhances your logo's relevance and appeal. A holistic approach to color selection involves analyzing your competitors' logo designs and color palettes. This analysis helps you strike a balance between differentiation and adherence to industry norms. Your goal is to stand out within your market while still maintaining a sense of belonging. Observing the color choices of your competitors provides insights into design trends, enabling you to create a logo that is both distinctive and contextually relevant. In the contemporary landscape, your logo will traverse an array of mediums and materials, from digital screens to print materials and merchandise. Ensuring that your chosen colors retain their impact and consistency across these diverse platforms is paramount. A palette that adapts seamlessly to various contexts amplifies your logo's resonance and flexibility. An inclusive design philosophy mandates accounting for individuals with color vision deficiencies. The harmonious combination of colors with sufficient contrast enhances your logo's accessibility, ensuring that its visual essence is preserved across a wide range of viewers. Before finalizing your color choices, thorough testing across various lighting conditions and devices is essential. Viewing your logo under different environments helps identify how colors may appear under varied circumstances, guaranteeing its continued visual potency. Contemplating the long-term trajectory of your brand is crucial in color selection. Will the colors you choose remain relevant and impactful as your brand evolves? Ensuring that your chosen palette possesses enduring appeal prevents the need for frequent logo overhauls due to changing trends or business directions. The perennial tug-of-war between design trends and timeless appeal necessitates careful consideration. Opting for a color palette that transcends fads and fashions ensures that your logo maintains its relevance and impact over time. The culmination of this thoughtful and informed color selection process is the creation of a logo that resonates with your brand's identity, values, and target audience. Crafting multiple logo iterations with diverse color combinations allows for meaningful comparisons and feedback. Collaborating with colleagues, clients, and potential customers during this phase aids in making a well-informed and resonant final color choice. Understand the psychological effects of colors. Here are some common associations: red, passion, energy, excitement; blue, trust, reliability, professionalism; green, nature, growth, health; yellow, optimism, warmth, creativity; orange, enthusiasm, vitality, friendliness; purple, luxury, creativity, mystery; black, elegance, sophistication, authority; white, purity, simplicity, clarity. Conclusion: in summation, the process of selecting colors for your logo is an intricate dance between technical considerations and psychological impact. Understanding the profound influence of color psychology, the intricacies of contrast and harmony, and the evolution of your brand guides you toward creating a logo that stands the test of time and resonates deeply with your audience. Through thoughtful color selection, your logo becomes a compelling embodiment of your brand's essence. Post views 5.